Hi, my name is Michael Linton, owner of Easy Solutions, LLC. We started our business July 24th, 2008. So we're now in our 8th year, going on our 8th year. And it's pretty exciting times, to say the least. We're an SEO company that does website design and development. And last year we just got recognized as one of the top 10 web design companies in the city of Jacksonville, which is pretty impressive. Took a lot of work to get there, but we know we couldn't get there without God. So this video is kind of like a testimony of sorts to let you know that if you commit whatever you do, God will make a way, but you still have your part to play. So it's not like a genie in the bottle type thing. So I wanted to take some time just to share what it is we really do. And I figure the best way to do it is get on the road, because a lot of people want SEO, which stands for search engine optimization, but they fail to realize that SEO is actually a small part of the bigger picture, which is SEM for search engine marketing. Search engine marketing really gives you a broad picture and gives you all the different backlinks, and we'll kind of stay away from technical talk, but we do what is called SMART SEO, and the SMART is just an acronym that we came up with, so to speak, and it stands for Strategic Marketing Applications Real Time, which means that happens as it takes place. So it's not like a one and done, or that guy from late night TV a few years back, set it and forget it. So our SEO is very adaptable. So that's why you would see sometimes, like recent Facebook posts, one of our new clients in Ponte Vedra Beach, with just in the first week, they already saw some pretty impressive results to them. They got 2 interviews and all coming directly from the web. So that's what kind of distinguishes us just a little from other SEO firms. Most of them just do blanket SEO, or they might do some changes to your website, but they really don't get into the full, and I'm not saying all of them, but some of them don't get into the full scope of what search engine marketing is all about, again, of which SEO plays a part. So a lot of people are big on trying to get traffic and things of that sort. So speaking of traffic, we're going to take the rest of this video. Hopefully we're trying to keep it to 7 minutes. So we're going to take the rest of the video and we're going to go mobile to kind of give you an idea as to what strategic marketing applications real time can actually look like. So if I'm not always looking at the camera, it's because I'm paying attention to the road. So in some instances, when a person says, well, how good is your smart SEO, or how do I get to page 1 of Google? There are different things that has to be done. So just like the web is a virtual rendition of the world, so to speak, in terms of, you have places you could go that are safe, places you can't go that might not be so safe, and things of that sort. Similarly, when you do marketing, you want to make sure that you get what is considered quality backlinks. So when you try to drive traffic to the site, you don't just necessarily want your client to get links from anywhere, because links from anywhere could, in some respects, give you bad traffic, if you will, or the links themselves might not be trustworthy. And these are things that we at Easy Solutions pay close attention to. So we want to make sure that your link quality is good. So when we create backlinks, we usually go to reputable sites. Some of them are RSS feeds. For those of you that don't know, RSS is an acronym for Real Simple Syndication. So those are similar to like blog sites, and sites like those are good ways to get links and traffic back to your sites. So when a person is just doing on-page optimization, that's really the easiest part, and any person can really do that. We've had quite a few people that come to us and all they really wanted was on-page optimization. And that's a service that we provide just by giving you some direction and telling you what to do. And there's absolutely zero charge for that, because we don't think it's fair to charge for something that you could technically do on your own, changing a couple of headers, tags, titles, things of that sort to your website. And that would generate a certain amount of traffic, but the traffic that generates would pretty much come from your Google bots and your Bing bots and the different robots that actually crawl the web, and they would pick up those lines or those sentences or those tags or those headers, and then that will give you one form of traffic in terms of search. So that would be your SEO, that would be your on-page optimization. But again, the bigger picture is really all about the SEM, the search engine marketing, and that's where we get into it in a lot more detail. And that's where you get a lot of good quality traffic, you get a very stable, continuous response, and Google releases several algorithms throughout the course of the year, and each one is really designed to see how traffic is being driven to a particular site. So one of our clients who's on the West Coast, they use a different form of marketing, and they found out in hindsight that it was what's called black hat techniques. Not to give steroids a bad name, but black hat techniques are similar to steroids for your SEO. So it'll give you good rankings initially, really quickly, but in maybe about 2 to 3 months after Google does a couple of algorithm searches and they run scans and they realize that you've been using black hat techniques, then what they would do is they would blacklist your site, and now you have zero traffic. So we just hit the 7-minute mark. So as promised, we wanted to kind of give you a different view as to going out, getting traffic, driving around in traffic, sort of a little different video scheme. But again, feel free to reach out to us. On the bottom of this video, you'll be seeing our contact information in terms of numbers, email addresses, website, of course, easysolutions.com. And we want to again say a big thank you, first and foremost, to God, but for God, we really thank God for blessing us with great clients and supporters. And it wasn't always easy, pun intended. I realize I just said that, but it really wasn't always easy. But after 8 years, we're very grateful that we stuck with it, and we've seen the results. And now, even in our own city, which happens to be the largest in landmass city in the United States, we're now sitting as one of the top 10 best web design companies. And that was a selection process that was made through Thumbtack, that provides professional services for anyone that's looking. So if you're looking for search engine optimization, marketing your website, or redoing your website, or know someone in need of a website, tell them to call us, email us, and again, all that contact information you'll be seeing on the bottom of the video. Until next time, this is Michael Linton for Easy Solutions saying what? Your web needs unlocked. That's what we do. Thanks.